Want to talk to you today about bike packing gear, and in particular what you sleep on. Now, I don't sleep very well on roll mats. When I've been cycle touring camping in the past, I had a Neo Air and it wasn't very thick, and I'm a side sleeper, so I find that my hips are always on the ground and I don't sleep very well. So last year, when I thought I was going to take part in the race around the Netherlands, I invested in something new, and I looked at lots of different types of sleeping mats, and I needed something that was going to be very, very small and compact, because ultimately it's got to sit on my bike, and my bike's small. I'm not going to be having panniers, so I'm quite restricted as to what I can carry. What I chose was the Summit Etherlight XT Insulated. I'm 5'5", so I picked the small one, so it is about the same length that I am, which was fine. So far, I've only slept on it in my back garden and in my living room since we've been in lockdown for most of the year, and then I didn't actually do any bike packing. But what I want to do is I want to tell you how we put this together. One thing Summit do quite well is they do give you instructions, which is always useful, really. I'm never too proud to say I read the instructions. So it starts with, on the back here, it says remove the back mat from this side first. So that's what I'm going to do. Packs in nice and tightly. Pull it out and unravel it. So as you can see, it's actually, from bottom to top, it's actually just slightly taller than I am. So I think probably if you're up to about 5'6", 5'7", you could get away with the small. They do come in medium and long as well. You can already feel that there's a bit of insulation in there, but it's very, very thin, so it packs up very tightly. So the first thing you notice, it's got a big hole, which is great for letting the air out quickly, but it's also got a second plug. Oops, plug this in. You plug it in and it's actually a second hole. Now that's what you need if you're going to blow it up with your pump. I did try blowing it up by hand because initially I didn't really understand how this worked, and because of that, that's why I'm doing a video, because I'm going to explain it to you. So if you blow this up by hand, or like that, you're quite exhausted by the end of it. I would say it probably takes maybe 5 minutes of constant puffing, which if you've been doing a hard ride all day is really not what you want. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to explain how to do it with the pump that comes with it, which is actually this, and how it actually makes it easier. So first of all, the pump is actually in the other end, so this, it's in there. We open it out and there we go. That's actually the pump. So this plug here attaches to the smaller of the plugs there. So put it in nice and tightly, and that's now got a good connection. I'm doing this in my office, so there's not much space here. But basically, you blow it up like a balloon. Just put your hand around it there. Now you see there, that didn't take up too much energy, and that's really quite full now. So from here, I've sealed the top, and you just roll it up and you fill the mattress. So you repeat that a few times. I think the valve's a one-way valve, so the air doesn't come back out again. This is my third pump, and actually I'm struggling to get all the air in the mattress now. Now I'd be quite happy to sleep on that as it is now, so I'm going to take that out, put the plug in. It's a bit tight. And there we go. One fully inflated Cedar Summit mattress ready to sleep in. I never got a head rush, and that was pretty easy. Well, this video is 3.5 minutes long, and that includes me explaining at the front, so probably 2.5 minutes to blow up the mattress, 3 lots of puffing, no head rush. But you could do that at the end of a hard day's riding, don't you? Now to put it all away again, what you do, you open the big plug and the air's just gone instantly. Very, very easy. Fold it into 3, roll it up, put it back in the stuff sack. Easy.